Healing vegetables. Discover how specific vegetables combat diseases and promote health. Introduction. This video explores the health benefits of various vegetables known for their disease-fighting properties, focusing on how they aid in cancer prevention, heart health, and blood sugar management. Broccoli, dead killer of cancer. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Its high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help to detoxify the body, making it a powerful ally in cancer prevention and treatment. Regular consumption of broccoli can significantly lower the risk of several cancers, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Tomato, enemy of cancer, wrinkles. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a potent antioxidant that is particularly effective in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Additionally, the high vitamin C content in tomatoes helps in skin health by promoting collagen production, thus combating wrinkles. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet can aid digestion and support heart health as well. Brinjal, doctor of blood pressure. Brinjal, or eggplant, is low in calories and high in nutrients, particularly potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Its fiber content helps to lower cholesterol levels, making it beneficial for heart health. Brinjal also contains antioxidants that help in fighting inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. Bottle gourd, guard of heart. Bottle gourd, also known as calabash or lauki, is a low-calorie vegetable rich in water content, making it an excellent choice for hydration. It is high in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and aids in maintaining a healthy heart. The vegetable is also known for having properties that help control blood pressure and promote overall cardiovascular health. Regular consumption can enhance heart function and reduce the risk of heart disease. Spinach, factory to increase blood. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients including iron, which is essential for the production of hemoglobin in red blood cells. This leafy green also contains high amounts of vitamins A and C, folate, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to better blood health. Spinach helps to combat anemia, promotes proper blood circulation, and can improve oxygen flow, supporting overall health and energy levels. Carrot, superhero of eyes. Carrots are well known for their high beta-carotene content, a precursor to vitamin A that is essential for maintaining good eyesight. Regular consumption of carrots can help prevent vision issues like night blindness and cataracts. Moreover, carrots contain antioxidants that may protect the eyes from oxidative stress, making them an important part of a diet aimed at promoting eye health. Bitter gourd, enemy of sugar. Bitter gourd is recognized for its ability to lower blood sugar levels. It contains compounds such as charantin and polypeptide P, which have been shown to exhibit anti-diabetic properties. By incorporating bitter gourd into the diet, individuals can better manage their blood sugar levels, making it a vital vegetable for diabetics aiming for better control over their condition. Cabbage, cleaner of intestines. Cabbage is rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, making it an effective cleaner of the intestines. The vegetable is also abundant in vitamins K and C, as well as antioxidants that support gut health and may even contribute to lower cancer risk in the digestive tract. Including cabbage in your diet can support a healthy gut microbiome. Conclusions. Incorporating a variety of vegetables like broccoli, tomatoes, and carrots into your diet not only aids in disease prevention but also promotes overall health and well-being. Each vegetable offers unique benefits, particularly in areas like cancer prevention, heart health, and blood sugar management. Adopting a vegetable-rich diet is essential for long-term health outcomes.